and welcome back. I am Vaishali Upadhyay from APS Haldwani Lamachor. Today we are going to start our new worksheet 3, chapter 16, and the name of the chapter is Who Will Do This Work? In this chapter, I have already made the video which I have uploaded in my YouTube channel Universal Facts by Vaishali Upadhyay. So, in that channel, you can see the whole chapter which I have described the whole chapter in a nice way. Now, let's start the chapter with a short summary which will help you to do this worksheet. So, basically, what happened in this chapter? In this chapter, we learn about how the people work in a different way. How they do the work in a different way. So, there is a story remembering those days. This story I have described in a video, but I'll tell you the short summary which will help you. Okay. So, what happened in this story? There was a child named Narayan and he was just 11 years old. Okay. And he is staying with whose? Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. Okay. And in this ashram, they will do different kinds of work. Like they will do the cleaning work also. Like they will clean the toilet. Okay. Whosoever is coming in that ashram, whether it is a guest or a permanent member of that particular ashram, they all will do their work by their own, whether it is a toilet of cleaning or whatsoever it is. Okay, all the work they will do by their own. So, in this way, the ashram runs, and there is a particular means there is a usual practice of doing that work. So, after some years, Gandhiji went to a village near Wardha in Maharashtra, okay, and Gandhiji, Mahadev Bhai, and other uh, person of that ashram, they went to that village and they start cleaning the toilets in that village. So after some months, means daily they are doing that usual practice. And after some months, one day what happened? One man came out from the toilet and he pointed Mahadev Bhai and said, there is a lot of dust in the toilet. Why you are not cleaning that toilet? That man was insulting Narayan or Babla. After hearing all these things, Babla was get very angry and he thought the villagers felt that this was only their work. So after that, Babla went to the Gandhiji and said to Gandhiji that why the villagers always think that we will do cleaning work, why don't they do that work? So Gandhiji replied, untouchability is a serious matter. Lot of hard work will be required to change this. But after hearing all these words by Gandhiji, he was not agreed, okay, or he was not convinced, and he again argued. So, those who make a place dirty but do not clean it should also learn lessons. But who is saying that? He is saying नारायण. नारायण क्या बोलते हैं कि जो लोग गंदगी करते हैं, ठीक है, whosoever is doing a dust on a particular place, they will also get a proper lesson. So Gandhiji and Narayan continue to argue. अब वो दोनों आर्ग्यूड करते हैं. But whenever the Narayan grown up, he always followed the path shown by गांधी जी. लेकिन उस दिन तो जब वो छोटे थे he was not convinced, right? But whenever he grown up, जब वो बड़े हुए तो उन्होंने किसका रास्ता अपनाया? गांधी जी के सिखाए हुए रास्ते को उन्होंने अपना रास्ता बना लिया. So this is a short summary of this chapter. Now let's start the first exercise, that is complete the following passage with the help of words given in the box. So there is a help box also. So let's start with the help of this box. Narayan knew that the people who usually did this work were thought to be dash. Now, what they thought? That they were the peoples who are untouchables. After that, he asked, what is the use if the dash do not change their thinking? So what comes in a dash? It comes village people. Question mark. After that, they have become used to dash doing this work for them. Now what come in dash? Someone else. Sorry, I have written else spelling wrong. The correct spelling of else is ELSE. Okay, please write the correct spelling of else. Next is Gandhiji replied, why don't you think the people who clean also dash from it? What comes in this? The answer is benefit. Then they also learn a dash. What comes in dash? It comes lesson. To learn something is like learning a new dash. What comes in dash? New skill. After that, even if it is a dash job. Which job? Cleaning job. Okay, now again read the full passage. Okay, Narayan knew that the people who usually did this work were thought to be untouchable. Means नारायण को लगता था कि यूजुअली जो लोग ये काम करते हैं लोग उन्हें क्या समझते हैं? अनटचेबल्स. He asked, what is the use if the village people do not change their thinking? और उसने पूछा कि इस चीज़ का क्या यूज़ है जब लोग, गांव के लोग अपनी थिंकिंग को नहीं बदलना चाहते. They have become used to someone else doing this work for them. और वो सब लोग ये चाहते हैं कि उनका काम कौन करे? कोई और करे. गांधी जी replied, why don't you think the people who clean also benefit from it? तो गांधी जी ने बोला, क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि जो लोग क्लीनिंग का वर्क करते हैं दे विल ऑल्सो गेट अ बेनिफिट? उन्हें भी कोई बेनिफिट मिले. दे ऑल्सो लर्न अ लेसन. क्या उन्हें भी कोई लेसन मिले? टू लर्न समथिंग इज़ लाइक लर्निंग अ न्यू स्किल. और वो नया लेसन क्या? एक नया तरीके का नई स्किल सीखना. वो भी तो एक नई स्किल सीख रहे हैं. इवन इफ़ इट इज़ अ क्लीनिंग जॉब. चाहे फिर वो क्लीनिंग का जॉब हो. आफ्टर दैट लिटिल नारायण was not dash. What comes here? convinced. He again argued, those who make a place that. What comes in dash? Dirty. But do not dash. It should also learn lessons. What's come here? Clean. Gandhiji and Narayan continued to dash about this. What comes here? Argue. But when he grew up, Narayan always followed the path shown by dash. What's come here? Gandhiji. Now see this again passage. Little Narayan was not convinced. जो छोटा नारायण था वो convinced नहीं हुआ था. He again argued, those who make a place dirty but do not clean, it should also learn a lesson. वो आर्ग्यूट करने लगा कि जो लोग प्लेस को डर्टी करते हैं और उसे क्लीन नहीं करते उन्हें भी लेसन मिलना चाहिए. गांधी जी एंड नारायण continued to argue about this. और गांधी जी और नारायण दोनों इसी बात पर आर्ग्यू करते रहे. But when he grew up, Narayan always followed the path shown by गांधी जी. लेकिन जब नारायण बड़े हुए तो उन्होंने किसका रास्ता अपनाया? गांधी जी का. ओके, so with this we have complete our first question, that is complete the following passage. Now question number 2, that is write T for true or F for false statements. So let's start with the first one. The first is people of one community has to do cleaning work. So is it true or false? So people of one community has to do only cleaning work, other will not do? No, all will do the cleaning work. So that is false. Second is even guests had to clean their toilet in Gandhiji's ashram. So is it true or false? As you know about the story that whosoever is coming on that ashram, they all will do their cleaning work by their own. So that is true. Third is Gandhiji used to clean toilet in Wardha. Gandhiji, as you know that in a story we have learned, Gandhiji went where? Gandhiji went near Wardha in Maharashtra and there they cleaned the village toilet. So that is true. Now the next one is Gandhiji said that everyone should not do cleaning work. Gandhiji say like this? No, Gandhiji always says that everyone should do their cleaning work. So that is false. Now, fifth is Gandhiji fought against untouchability. So this is true or false? As you know that Gandhiji fought always against untouchability. Okay, so that is true. And our last one, sixth one is the Indian Constitution was prepared under the leadership of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. So is it true or false? As we all know that the Indian Constitution, our Indian Constitution was prepared under the leadership of who? Under the leadership of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. You know that na, in class 4th also you have learned this, that our Indian Constitution has made by Ambedkar ji. Okay, so that is true. So with this we have complete our whole worksheet 3, and in this worksheet 3 of chapter 16 we have covered 2 exercises. The first one is complete the following passage, and the second one is write T for true and F for false. I hope you all have understood this worksheet nicely and clearly. Now we will meet in our next worksheet, worksheet 4 of our next chapter. Till then, bye bye, be safe and be healthy at home.